Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a giveaway for you, so make sure you comment. We got 2 for the US, we got 3 for Canada, and good luck to all. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a masterpiece for you all to check out by my gallery. This watch face is totally off the charts. Everything she creates is either unique or different or stands out in some type of way. She continues to raise the bar in creativity and watch faces. 4 thumbs up in the door for this one. Now let's go ahead, let's take a look at it. Now the name of the watch face is called Masterpiece 2. Now in always on mode, you're gonna get the same look for the most part for the Gears 3. For the Gears 2, I do like the uniqueness in this look in the AOD mode. Not bad at all. Now once you got the watch face on, take a look at the creativity on this watch face. Definitely different from any other that you may find in the Gear Manager store. Now I like that grid. I thought that was a good look, and behind it you got some animation going on there. You got animation going on here. It is an analog watch face. I like the look of the hands, and the second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch looks just as nice. You get shortcuts here, you get your calendar there, and your shortcuts you can tap on all 4 and it works. I thought it wouldn't at first, but yes, it definitely works. All of them. I'm telling you, the developer definitely got down on this watch face, and what I like most about this watch face is customizing the color, and she always gives you vibrant, beautiful colors to change to. Let's cycle through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. I thought she did an excellent job, but at the end of the day, it's totally up to you. What did you think? All right, you all, don't forget to hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on this developer and her creativity on this watch face, which is called Masterpiece 2. All right, hit the like button on the way out if you like the video. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.